There's one feature inside GoHighLevel that I've seen total beginners use to land their first paying client within a week of finding out it exists. There's no cold calling, no paid ads, no sales experience, just showing a local business owner something they've never seen before and watching their jaw absolutely drop. It's called the AI Receptionist. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, exactly how to set it up inside GoHighLevel, and how to charge $300 to $500 a month for it. This is all step by step, so make sure you stick around till the end. Here's something that most people completely miss when they're trying to sell software to local businesses. The business owner doesn't care about features. They don't care about dashboards or automations or integrations. They care about one thing. Are they losing money right now? And if yes, can you fix it? So before I show you the setup, I want you to understand the problem we're solving. Because once you get this, selling becomes the easiest part of this whole business. Every local business, plumbers, dentists, HVAC companies, chiropractors, gym owners, every single one of them has the same problem. They miss calls, and a missed call is a missed customer. Think about it. Someone has a leaking pipe at 7 p.m. They call the first plumber they find on Google. There's no answer. They call the second plumber. There's no answer. They call the third one. Someone picks up, and that's who gets the job. The first two plumbers didn't lose that customer because they were bad at their job. They lost them because no one answered the phone. And here's the crazy part. Most of these business owners have no idea how much money they're losing from this. 62% of their incoming calls go unanswered. That is 62%, with roughly 85% of those callers never calling back. This is costing small businesses over $126,000 in annual revenue. Guys, just think about that. I hope you can see how big of an opportunity this can be. So that's the problem, and the AI receptionist is going to be the solution. What exactly is an AI receptionist? It's an AI-powered voice agent that answers your client's phone calls automatically, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It greets the caller using the business's name, it answers their questions, it qualifies whether they're a good lead, and it books them directly into the business owner's calendar, all without a single human having to pick up the phone. There's no sick days, no lunch breaks, no missed calls at 9 p.m. on a Sunday, and the business owner pays you every single month to keep it running. So let me show you how to build this. So inside GoHighLevel, I'm going to do it in a way that takes about 2 minutes, because most people think setting up an AI receptionist is complicated. It's not. You literally copy and paste a prompt and the AI builds itself. So here's how. So come into GoHighLevel, and you're actually going to navigate over to this button that says Ask AI. I'm just going to paste in a pre-built prompt that does all of that automatically. Here's the prompt that I have right here. It's pretty simple. Create an AI voice agent for a plumbing company using their Google business profile link. Now, where's the link? We need to go find this person. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to Google Maps, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find a plumbing business that is going to say yes to your services 9 out of 10 times. So what I want to do is I'm going to come over here to the search bar, and I want to find mom and pop shop plumbing business that I can target. And I'm going to type in plumbers in Raytown, Missouri, hit enter. And as you can see, every plumber is pulling up, and you'll be able to tell pretty quickly which plumber is doing the best in the area and which one isn't. As you can see, these two top plumbers are sponsored, meaning they're paying to be at the top here. We don't need to worry about them. Google is already feeding them leads. But what about this guy? This business is called Raytown Plumbing. They have 33 4.6 star reviews, not the best pictures. Seems like a mom and pop shop plumbing business. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to share, and we're going to copy this link. This link goes directly to their Google business profile. So this has all of their information, their services, their photos, their phone number, their address, what type of water heaters they install. This has everything about them. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to come back here to our prompt, and I'm going to paste this in, and then I want to copy all of this and bring it back to Ask AI, and I'm just going to put that in here and hit go. Now, real quick, I know some of you watching this right now are thinking, okay, this is cool, but I have no idea where to even start. And I don't want you to leave this video and do nothing with it. So here's what I'm going to do. When you sign up for GoHighLevel through my link in the description, my team is going to get on a one-on-one setup call with you, and we are going to build your first AI receptionist together. Just like what you're watching right now, completely done for you. This is absolutely free. And you're also going to get an extended 30-day free trial. So you have a full month to get your first client and collect your first payment before you pay a single dollar for the software. And on top of that, you get access to our weekly live bootcamp on Zoom, where we do this live every single week with a group of people. And you get my complete bonus bundle, which includes the exact prompt I just pasted in, my outreach message templates, my pricing guide, and my full client demo scripts. So everything you just watched me do, you get it all handed to you. And all you have to do is smash the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe, and I will personally send you the private link right now. There's no paid course, there's no upsells. My team does the setup with you for free. So what's happening is it's created the AI agent, it's created the welcome message, meaning when somebody calls in, this is the first thing that it's going to say to them, and this is how its behavior is going to be during the phone call. This is how to handle the calls, and it's going to ask me if I should go ahead and create this voice agent. I'm going to say yes. And just like that, the AI receptionist is fully built. So let me show you what it created. So to find the AI receptionist, we're going to come down here to AI agents and click here. I'm going to click on voice AI and then hit agent list. And as you can see, Raytown Plumbing Assistant is right here. This is the one that was just created. Let's click on it. And we have this dashboard on how to create this AI receptionist. So here's how I show this to a potential client. And this is the part that closes them every single time. I set up a demo version of the AI receptionist using their actual business name and their actual business info. And that's what you saw with the Google Business Profile link. Then when I meet with them, or even just on a quick phone call, I say something like, hey, I want to show you something. Can I call your business phone number right now? They say, sure. I call their number from my phone. It rings twice. And instead of the voicemail, they hear, hi, thanks for calling Raytown Plumbing. I'm your virtual assistant. Whether you have a plumbing emergency or need to schedule a service, I'm here to help. How can I assist you today? And they look at me like I just did magic. And that's the demo. That's the close. You haven't pitched them a single thing. You just showed them their own AI receptionist already working. From there, the conversation is just, how much does this cost and how do we get it set up for real? So to make your AI receptionist almost perfect, and if I was going to actually call Raytown Plumbing and set this up for them, there's a couple things that I would want to do. I'd want to come over here and add new actions. Adding these new actions allow your agent to perform them. So if you want your agent to send them a confirmation text or trigger a workflow of a confirmation email, or even book their appointments, then this can do that. If you want to add missed call text back, it can do that as well, or just transfer to the owner. The beauty of this software is there are so many different things you can do with it, and you can customize it to the business owner that you're working with, whether they want it to set appointments, whether they want it to just answer questions and notify the owner what they talked about so the owner can give them a call back. Whatever they want, you can customize this for them. And again, you can charge $300 to $500 per month for this. So now that you know how to build your AI receptionist, let's talk about how to sell it to Raytown Plumbing. And so first thing I want to do is I want to find their phone number and call it myself. I want to call it during business hours and see what happens. Does a real person answer? Does it go to voicemail? Does it ring forever? If it goes to voicemail, that is your prospect. You just identified a business that is losing customers from missed calls right now, like today. So here's the exact outreach message that I use. And you can pause right here and copy this word for word. I send this via text, DM, email, whichever I can find for the business. It says, hey, business owner name. Quick question. I was trying to reach Raytown Plumbing earlier and the call went to voicemail. I build AI receptionist systems for local businesses that answer every call automatically and book appointments 24/7. I already set up a demo using your business info. Want me to send it over so you can hear how it sounds? This is short, it's personal, and it already implies that I've done the work for them. Most businesses are genuinely curious when they get this because nobody has ever offered to show them something this specific before. And when they say yes, send them the demo recording or get on a quick call and run the live demo I showed you earlier, and that's your close. Now let's talk about what to charge. For the AI receptionist alone, I recommend starting out at $300 to $500 a month. This is a monthly recurring service. You set it up once and collect that payment every single month. Here's what that looks like as you grow. One client at $400 is $400 a month. 5 clients is going to be $2,000 a month. 10 clients is $4,000 per month, and 20 clients is $8,000 a month. And the setup time per client, about 20 minutes, and it's a one-time setup. After that, the AI handles every call. You're not doing ongoing work. You're just collecting recurring revenue while the system runs itself. And that's the business. So that's everything. GoHighLevel's Voice AI. It's one feature, $300 to $500 per client per month, set up in under 30 minutes, recurring revenue every single month. Here's what you need to do right now. Hit the like button, drop a comment below, and make sure that you're subscribed. And I'll personally send you the private link to get your 30-day free trial, your one-on-one setup call with my team, and access to our weekly bootcamp and my complete bonus bundle. This is every script, every template, every step. It's all 100% free. And if you want to see the exact step-by-step walkthrough of how I find and close my first client using this system, watch this video right here next. Subscribe if you're new. I post every week on how to build real AI businesses with real recurring income, and I'll see you in the next one.